Yo, what's going on, boys and girls? Today I'm going to be showing you some fidget toys. Let's get to it. So this one is called the Fidget Code, and this one's called the Fidget Cylinder, and this is another Fidget Code, okay? So, all I got is this one. My bus driver gave me this. It's like a fidget buddy where it can it's not a fan. It can't be a fan. So, I think that this one is. That sounds like That sounds like a water. So look at this one. My bus driver gave me this thing. Too. This was from Valentine. So this one's called the Pop 2. Sorry, this is loud. Sorry about that. Alright. This one is called the Fidget Dragon. This is pretty pokey. You won't believe it. Also, this one is called the Fidget Dinosaur Keychain. You can hook up to your necklace and that kind of stuff. So, all of this is just cool enough to be. Also, wait. This one, I don't know what this one's called. I got this from Halloween, 3 months ago. So, then, this is a really cool fidget toy. You won't believe it. Because you always think that in this video you'll be watching my videos. Who's watching this needs to like and subscribe, okay? So, I'm pretty sure that this one is really cool. It's where you can because to this one, sorry this is loud. You even know how you even get, yeah. So, I'm pretty sure that these fidget toys are most intentional, because you even think that this fidget toy is just not like this one, because that makes a thing where it can do. Yeah, that's for sure. Because you even think that me playing with these fidget toys are pretty cool. I like them, but they make cool noises. Because you even know how this one gets returned, because you play with these toys are fun. Look, the bunny has faces. See? Because it's hard to put back in. Yeah, this is hard to put back in. Also, you have to twirl it. You have to spin it. Yeah, look, see? Look. Boom. You have to spin it for 2 seconds. Because this one is pretty loud, I believe. You even think that this is loud. That's for sure. Because this pop tube is just loud as heck. We can't do this in silent reading. Okay, someone's just listening to music, like a rap music. You hear that thing? Okay. I don't think you can hear it. whoever those who is watching and can hear it, just comment down below, okay? Just put in the comment that what you want to say about the music, okay? Alright. Because look at this thing. It's like long. And then you can just push it back in. You won't believe it. Well, let me. So, if y'all want to see my videos, just like and subscribe, okay? Sorry I said that again. Okay, so whoever knows who's watching needs to say something about these fidget toys, because you know better than this, because that should be good. Alright, I'm gonna end the video. Wait, no, never mind. I'm gonna play with these with one fidget toys, and after that I might do some more and end the video. Let me play with this one. Okay, I thought about that. Whoa, about this one. Alright, so, look at this. See, like, twirl, look at this, do this. That's for sure. Alright, I'm gonna end the video. If y'all want to see all my videos, just smack that like button, comment down below, and ring the bell, okay? Alright, I'm gonna end the video. Skip it for today's video. Peace.